Hey everyone, it's GCP Decode. In this video, we will discuss the solution for this lab. So, after starting the lab, open your Google Cloud Console in incognito window. Then simply come on to task number 1 and copy this name Bigtable. Paste it here in Google Cloud Console search box and open this Bigtable first option in new tab. Now wait for some time. Now click on this create instance. And for instance name, simply come back to lab instruction page. You will get this table in task number 1. Copy this instance name, paste it here, and instance ID will automatically generated. Click on this continue and make sure that this SSD is selected. Then click on again continue. And once match this cluster ID is same as your lab instruction name, and if not, then simply copy this cluster name and replace it with this name. And for reason, for me it's US Central 1, and for June, for me it's US Central 1C. Then scroll down to the bottom of this page, you will get this create option. Simply click on create. And once you get the green tick here, this means that you are done with this task number 1. Then if there is check my progress, then simply click on check my progress for task number 1. You will get the green tick here. Wait for some time because lab takes time to update the score. Just wait for some time. Okay, we have got the green tick here. Now move to task number 2. For task number 2, activate your Cloud Self from here. And then click on this continue. And then authorize. Now once your Cloud Cell get activated, then come back to lab instruction page. We have to run this 2 code first. Then copy this first code, paste it here in Cloud Cell and hit enter. Once you are done, then copy this second code, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, we are done with this 2 code. Now come on to task number 3. We have to run all this code in Cloud Cell only, and make sure that after running all these 4 codes, then click on this check my progress. After getting the green tick, then proceed with these commands. Then let's run this first code in task number 3. Copy the first code and paste it here in Cloud Cell and hit enter. Okay, done. Then copy this second, paste it here and hit enter. Then copy this third code, paste it here and hit enter. If you want, you can expand this from here. And we are done with this third code. Now copy this fourth code, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, we are done with this code. Now click on this check my progress. Once you get the green tick here, then only proceed with this next command, which is there in point number 5 of task number 3. Copy this fifth code, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, we are done. Then this sixth code, paste, enter. Okay, we are done. Now copy this seventh code for deleting the table, paste and hit enter. Okay, we are done with this code. Now you can simply click on check my progress for task number 3. Just simply click on check my progress 2 to 3 times. You will get the score in task number 3. And again, if you are not getting the score, then wait for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. You will get the score. Yes, We have got the green tick here, and we are completed with this lab. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. And if you like this tutorial window, a tutorial video, then simply hit the like and subscribe button. Now you can simply end this lab, and you will get the green tick in this lab. Okay, let's see that we have got the green tick or not. Okay, so we have got the green tick.